Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of woodworking with a tool that can truly elevate your projects, the DEWALT thickness planer. If you're passionate about crafting beautiful pieces from wood, this 13-inch 2-speed planer is a game changer. Let's talk about what makes the DW735X stand out. With a powerful 15-amp motor that delivers an impressive 20,000 RPM, this planer ensures that you can tackle even the toughest hardwoods with ease. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the precision and efficiency of this tool will help you achieve that smooth professional finish you've always wanted. One of the standout features of the DW735X is its 2-speed gear system. This allows you to choose between a faster feed rate for larger pieces or a slower rate for finer finishes. It's all about giving you the flexibility to work at your own pace and achieve the results you desire. Plus, the built-in dust port helps keep your workspace clean, so you can focus on what you love creating. But it's not just about the specs, it's about the experience. Imagine the satisfaction of transforming rough lumber into beautifully planed boards, ready for your next project. Whether you're crafting furniture, cabinetry, or any other woodworking masterpiece, the DEWALT thickness planer is designed to help you bring your vision to life. We appreciate you joining us today to explore this fantastic tool. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more woodworking tips and tool reviews.